Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got unlimited Pocket FM coins for free. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called zatweek.com, then type in search Pocket FM and you will find the online tool. Click there guys and just click install now. So this is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. I test this many times and this is amazing hack. So let's wait for this installing and let's see the next step. And now guys, as you can see, we are on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps to complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Underdog Fantasy. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together. If you have this message, you're on the right way guys, so let's wait together. Nice, verification complete. Next step, check your home screen. So let me see guys. As you can see guys, I download Travel Town, Underdog Fantasy, and I got this Pocket FM plus. Just open and you will get your Pocket FM free coins. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.